I'm glad we have a little free time to talk today.
A few quiet moments like this always make the day feel softer.
I started my morning with a gentle stretch.
A slow stretch sounds like a peaceful way to wake up the body.
I felt a warm breeze when I opened the window.
A warm breeze always brings a pleasant feeling of freshness.
I'm thinking about learning a new phrase today.
A new phrase can add a nice spark to your speaking practice.
I enjoyed a light breakfast with some fruit.
Fruit in the morning gives you a refreshing start.
I found a short story online that looked interesting.
Short stories often teach simple words in a fun way.
I'm trying to speak English with a smoother rhythm.
A smooth rhythm helps every sentence flow naturally.
I practiced saying some polite expressions earlier.
Polite expressions add a friendly tone to conversations.
I feel more confident when I speak slowly and clearly.
Clear and slow speaking helps others understand you easily. Step
I'm learning to describe my daily actions step by step.
by step descriptions strengthen your grammar.
I talked to a friend about weekend plans.
Weekend plans always bring happy thoughts.
I'm thinking about watching a short English clip tonight.
Short clips offer real examples of everyday conversations.
I like collecting simple phrases for daily use.
A collection of phrases is handy for natural speaking.
I took a short walk around my street earlier.
A walk around the neighborhood can refresh your mind.
I'm planning to drink some green tea later.
Green tea brings a calm and soothing feeling.
I noticed the sky looked bright and clear this morning.
A bright sky always sets a positive tone for the day.
I'm learning to describe people's appearance in simple words.
Simple descriptions make it easier to understand others.
I wrote a few easy sentences in my notebook.
Writing sentences helps you remember new vocabulary.
I'm trying to use new verbs in daily conversation.
New verbs make your speaking more lively.
I'm thinking about practicing short introductions again.
Introductions help you start conversations with confidence.
I listened to an audio story with simple narration.
Simple narration helps you catch the rhythm of English.
I'm learning ways to express my opinions politely.
Polite opinions create good communication.
I enjoyed talking about childhood memories with a friend.
Childhood memories often bring warm emotions.
I'm practicing describing objects in my room.
Describing objects builds strong vocabulary skills.
I learned a phrase about giving suggestions.
Suggestion phrases help guide conversations naturally.
I'm planning to read a few lines from a children's book.
Children's books offer easy language and useful structures.
I noticed a colorful bird near my window today.
A colorful bird can brighten the whole moment.
I'm trying to speak with a more natural tone.
A natural tone makes every sentence sound smoother.
I practiced describing the weather this afternoon.
Weather descriptions create simple and friendly conversations.
I'm learning how to talk about my daily schedule.
Daily schedules help you practice time-related vocabulary.
I enjoyed a calm moment with some soft music.
Soft music always relaxes the mind.
I'm thinking about improving my storytelling skills.
Better storytelling adds emotion to your sentences.
I learned a simple expression for talking about hobbies.
Hobby expressions help you share personal interests easily.
I noticed the flowers in the garden looked bright.
Bright flowers make the environment feel cheerful.
I'm learning to ask polite conversation questions.
Polite questions keep the conversation moving.
I practiced a few expressions about sharing opinions.
Opinion expressions help you express your thoughts clearly.
I wrote a short paragraph about my morning.
Morning paragraphs help you organize simple ideas.
I'm thinking about learning a few new adjectives.
New adjectives add variety to your descriptions.
I enjoyed talking about my favorite color with someone today.
Talking about colors always creates easy conversation.
I'm learning to connect sentences with simple linking words.
Linking words make your speech
I practice describing simple actions like walking and cooking.
smoother. Simple actions teach you important everyday verbs.
I'm planning to speak English for a few minutes before bed.
Even a little practice can strengthen your fluency.
I noticed some children playing near the park.
Children playing always create cheerful sounds.
I'm learning expressions for showing interest in someone's story.
Interest expressions help the conversation feel lively.
I practice describing a picture I found online.
Picture descriptions help you think in English.
I'm thinking about learning phrases for directions.
Direction phrases are useful in many real situations.
I enjoyed a peaceful moment while watering plants.
Watering plants brings a slow and calming rhythm.
I'm learning to use simple expressions for giving compliments.
Compliments make conversations positive.
I practiced talking about transportation today.
Transportation topics help with travel conversations.
I'm planning to make a list of helpful English verbs.
A list of verbs is a strong foundation for speaking.
I noticed the air felt cool in the evening.
A cool evening creates a refreshing atmosphere.
I'm learning how to describe feelings gently.
Gentle expressions make conversations comfortable.
I practice speaking with a steady pace.
A steady pace keeps your words clear.
I'm thinking about reading a short poem tonight.
Short poems offer simple but beautiful language.
I enjoyed talking about different kinds of weather.
Weather topics always come in handy.
I'm learning to describe the layout of my room.
Room descriptions help with preposition practice.
I practiced a few ways to show agreement politely.
Agreement expressions make conversations cooperative.
I'm planning to review yesterday's vocabulary.
Reviewing old words makes them stick in your memory.
I noticed some fresh fruit at the market today.
Fresh fruit brings a pleasant scent and bright colors.
I'm learning to express curiosity in simple ways.
Curiosity expressions make conversations engaging.
I practiced describing my favorite snack.
Snack descriptions help you talk about food easily.